Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hi there, my name is Temie. Welcome. Please stick around. I make videos on makeup, beauty, lifestyle, vlogs, and also some natural hair product type of reviews. Also today I'm starting something sort of already in the beauty community, and that is to shop my stash, meaning that there are a couple of products that I've received over maybe about a year or so now that is just piling up or just sort of sitting in my drawer and haven't even touched them. I have done some unboxing on them but never really used them. So today I'm gonna just shop my stash using them to create a look. Hopefully this turns out good. So I have already prepped my skin and I have already used my sunscreen, and I just want to show you guys two of my favorites so far. That would be this Yansa Pink Lotus Peptide Renewal face cream. It has 8 power pink essence in it, and I really like this lotion. I actually got this product from an app. It's called Octoly, and I want to thank Skincare by Tawa. She's a YouTuber as well as an Instagram influencer, skincare influencer. You could check her out, and she was the one that told me about Octoly. I got the Dermalogica from Octoly. I've used all my serums, and then I use my sunscreen, which is this Dermalogica Skin Dynamic Recovery, which is SPF 50. And also, if you follow me on Instagram and on TikTok, I did a couple of reels and TikToks on this as well as this product. But moving along, the eyeshadow that I'll be using is the Juvia's Place the Nubian 2 palette. I did an unboxing on this, I can't even remember, maybe a year ago, and I haven't even used it. It's literally like brand new. I haven't used this at all. So this will be my first shop my stash eyeshadow palette that I'll be showcasing in this video, and this expires 24 months, so it's good. I need to make sure I use this as much as I can. And then the other products that I have, I'm gonna present all of it so that I can get it to doing my makeup. This Revolution Glow Splendor Ultra Matte Bronzer, I have never used this. I've opened it, I think I did an unboxing on it. I got the deep and then also the deepest, and this is here, but that's will be my bronzer. I got this from, I think, a BoxyCharm or one of the subscriptions that I used to be subscribed to. And this is the Complex Culture Thriller Seeker Baked Highlighter and Bronzer Squad. Now this is not really fit for my skin tone because the bronzer is not dark enough, as you can see here. So I'm going to be using the darkest as my blush. I got a sample Joha Lash Up Rising mascara. It's in like a little, oh, it's actually, I got 2 of it. So here's one. It's available at CVS. It's a drugstore beauty product, and I really like the samples. I am yet to buy a full-size one, but I will actually get a full-size one because I like the Joha products. They're really nice, although the CVS by me just closed down, which is weird. But yeah, now for my foundation, I have had this for, I want to say 3 or 5 months maybe, and this is the NYX Born to Glow Naturally Radiant Foundation. So I'm gonna be using this as my foundation. I haven't used it. Look at that, the seal is still on. Don't know why I don't even grab it. I think it's just stuff somewhere in the bottom of my drawer and it's lost in there. So I'm glad I'm doing this shop my stash to get a use out of all my makeup. Now I also have my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop the concealer that I'll be using in the shade Mahogany, and then I've got some mini ultra setting powder by One Size, which is by Patrick Starr. So I got the dark and I got the translucent. So these will be my powders for this video. For my primer, I received this Dominique Blur and Moisture Primer. I've used this a couple of times and I really liked it. So my Uoma Beauty Contour Stick. I received an eyeshadow palette from Urban Decay. So they reached out to me to send me a palette, and I can't, if I can find it, that would be good. So I had to go look for the eyeshadow palette. That is the Urban Decay Half Baked eyeshadow palette, the naked one. So that's kind of what this looks like. This too here is sort of crumbling, but I received this along with an eyeshadow primer. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer instead of my P. Louise base because this is what I use almost all the time, and thanks to Urban Decay for sending me this. I'm also going to be using this lip plumping gloss from Kismet. It's a lip gloss and I like it because of the color. This is like a nice pink shade. I'm going to be using it along with my lip pencil from NYX. That's a staple, and also my Merit Beauty staple lip gloss. I've had this for a while. I just don't use it often. This is my Anastasia Beverly Hills Perfect Brow Pencil. That's what I'm using for my brows. Although, if you noticed, my brow looks a little full. That's because I actually tinted it myself using a inner tint, and it's been, I want to say 3 days now, and it's still sort of there. So I'll just kind of fill it in a little bit with this. Lashes. So I got this lashes from Amazon. So I'm going to link them below if you like them. If I do wear lashes, this would be the lashes that I'll be putting on. I think it's called Befalon Cosmetics. I like their lashes. I've purchased from them at least 3 times. Anyway, let's get to today's makeup. I'm not going to talk through it. That's why I wanted to go through everything that I'll be using. So it won't be too long, really.
All the stuff that you've been worrying about. Never mind all the people tryna bring you down. Oh, never mind all the things that's been going on. I just wanna never mind. Right now it's time to thank him. Thank you, Lord, for all you do for me, for all you've done for me, for how you loving me. Thank you, Lord, for how you care for me. You always there for me. You said you never leave. I just wanna never mind all the things going on in my mind. Never mind. Right now, just wanna thank him. What do you do? What do you do when you're going through? What do you do? What do you do when you're going through? I'm gonna dance like David, have faith like Abraham, prophesy like Jeremiah, pray just like Elijah. I'm gonna dance like David, have faith like Abraham, prophesy like Jeremiah, pray just like Elijah. You're so good to me, and I can't even speak. Sometimes all I can do is cry. Close my eyes, raise my hands, do a dance for you. Praise you, it's true to the one it belongs to. Thank you, Lord, for all you do for me, for all you've done for me, for how you love me. Thank you, Lord, for how you care for me. You always there for me. You said you never leave. I just wanna never mind all the things going on in my mind lately. Never mind. Right now, just wanna thank him. What do you do? What do you do when you're going through? What do you do? What do you do when you're going through? I'm gonna dance like have faith like Abraham, prophesy like Jeremiah, pray just like Elijah. I'm gonna dance like David, have faith like Abraham, prophesy like Jeremiah, pray just like Elijah. Mind over matter, they don't matter. So do you mind if I just give you all the praise I have inside? Never mind to the things going on right now. I just wanna say hallelujah.
Okay, so I'm gonna do my lips now, and I'm gonna be going with my pencil.
Hallelujah. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Oh, 'cause what you doing, going through, I just praise the Lord.
Okay, this is my final look. What do you guys think? I love it. I honestly didn't expect this, but I really like the final look. It's just giving fall, but you know. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video. One thing that I'm going to share in this video so that I don't forget in case I don't ever do it again is I've started doing something different with my lashes, and that is to cut my lashes. So I cut like maybe 2/3 of the full lash and just apply the last part to the outer part of my eyes, and I like the way it looks. It kind of just lifts up my eyes, and rather than kind of covers up my lid here, you know. So these are my natural lashes in the inner part of my eyes, and these are my extension, I guess, lash extension on the edges. I also applied it on the bottom part of my eyes, not on the top, which is why you can see, if I close my eyes you won't see the band because the band is underneath my eyes. I also tight lined, which is like using a black liner under my eyes a little bit, not too much, and also in the bottom part of my eyes, and applied my mascara there. So that's what's giving this really bold looking look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Please do subscribe, also like this video and comment down below if you would like to see more Shop My Stash videos. See you guys in my next one. Bye.